Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to deep fry chicken legs and not take forever. Make perfect chicken legs every time. So what we're going to do here is slice these. Basically you want to take the fat spot. That's a pretty big one right there. That's going to take forever to cook. But if you slice it like this, and just kind of open it up and then turn it over, do the same, see, like that. Now you can do this with thighs too. You just cut on the top a couple times and then spread it apart and make it like a chicken fried steak, and they're really delicious. So another thing that's beneficial to doing it this way, other than it not taking so long, you can do 3 if you want, is you'll have these nice meat pieces that you can pull right off and dip. And I don't know if you've ever seen one of these, but this thing is called a Batter Pro. This is only one part of it. I'll show you the rest here in a second, but you just drop your chicken in there. 5, 6, 7. It's got that piece and then a bottom piece. So you just put it over the top, like that. Flip it over. And voila! Battered chicken with no mess. I've got my chicken in there ready to go. And we'll just drop it in there. Boom! Look at it go. 9 minutes. Cooking 7 pieces of chicken in 9 minutes. Can't beat that with a stick. And if you're wondering why my kitchen looks so unusual, I am up in my tree house cooking this. There they are, bubbling away. Lift them up. Let them drain for a sec. Don't those look awesome? Delicious. Okay, gotta go. Yum yum.